funny.
We're doing it! We're doing it!
Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, we didn't make it to Sun and Fun this year. I got a few days off and it just didn't work out. The weather was terrible. You guys were following the weather down in the south, Georgia, South Carolina, Florida got hit with a lot of thunderstorms, tornadoes, heavy rains, and it just didn't work out timing wise for me to get down there. Kept looking at it, just didn't work. So we haven't made any videos, haven't done any flying, although we have just been slowly warming up here in the Chicagoland. So today it's not too bad. I'm going to go out and do a little bit of flying today. Just get out and enjoy the weather. It's only about, 50 degrees out or so. So I got the new GoPro, well, it's new to me, it's not new, it's the GoPro Media Mod. It's a little case, it's got 2 extra microphones on it, but has a microphone pickup on the back. So I'm going to try that out, see if it helps with any of the audio feedback we were getting, as well as to see if the audio input just sounds better. Yeah, we'll try it out. All right, oil temperature's coming up. Oil pressure's good. 54 psi. Oil temperature 61 degrees. All right, run up's complete. Flight controls are all free and correct. Props full forward, mixture's full forward. Everything's in the green. Oil temps above 80. Lights are all on, boost pumps on, pitos on, seatbelts are on. Popco traffic 800 Mike Foxtrot departing runway 30. Weather north departure Popco. All right, no traffic on the left, no traffic on the right.
Approaching runway 30. Entered runway 30. 3,700 feet remaining.
All right, lined up. 30. We'll get 1,700 RPM. Everything's in the green. Air speeds are alive. There's 50, 60, 65. and 511. 36. Golf traffic 8, Mike Foxtrot, turn left base, runway 27, low pass only, go. Golf traffic 8, Mike Foxtrot, turn and final, runway 27, low pass only, go. Mike Foxtrot was cooking. What's up? Big side, 672 Mike Alpha, turning left crosswind 4, Papa Grove Skyhawk 58 Golf, joining the left downwind 30, full stop, Papa Grove.
Atlantis traffic bearing 12690, Zulu 7 miles north will be entering a right downwind for runway 2831.
Warning, terrain ahead.
Papa Grove traffic 8, Mike Foxtrot, 3 mile, final 27, low pass only, Papa Grove.
Report traffic, pipeline Evanston 97 Charlie backtrack 5 miles east going east-west. Going to be on the north side of the field and stopping in on 24, full stop landing. Report. Morris traffic, 361
Traffic.
northeast on a practice 2R Alpha, low approach only, Morris.
I got you guys in sight.
140 is on final, 30, full stop, Papa Grove.
Papa Grove 8, Mike Foxtrot, short final 27, low pass only, Papa Grove.
Papa Grove traffic, reach Metro 82,
Traffic.
26 Echo, miles southwest, will enter downwind 30, full stop, Papa Grove.
How you doing, Mark?
All right.
Papa Grove traffic 8, Mike Foxtrot's turning crosswind, runway 30, Papa Grove.
So it's traffic 20540, speak setting the upwind leg for the 45 traffic list. Orange traffic, 361 main uniform is 6 northeast, practice 0 Alpha, low approach only, Morris.
Traffic, just 48, Walmart Golf, about 4 miles northwest, heading straight downwind from a 30 Papa Grove. Traffic kayak 20540, turning west crosswind, runway
Grove traffic 8 on Mike Foxtrot, left base 30 Pop Grove.
Lewis traffic, Cessna 60337, 5 miles south of Lewis, maneuvering for the 45 for runway 27, Lewis traffic.
Report traffic, pipeline damage there, 97 Charlie, Foxtrot 2 miles north, 1,600. We're going to fly out to the west side of the airport, enter downwind for 24 full stop report.
Lewis traffic, Cessna 6180, X-ray is departing.
Traffic.
Pop Grove 8 on Mike Foxtrot, final 30 Pop Grove.
Traffic.
Pop Grove traffic, Cessna 481 Golf, entering left downwind, runway 30 Pop Grove.
8 on Mike Foxtrot, clear runway 30 Pop Grove.